There's a tire manufacturing company that says power is nothing without control. Now, I see something similar with software product development as well, which is speed means nothing without quality. When founders want to get software built, they always want to focus on speed, on moving fast, on getting things done quickly and released in time, which is understandable. But the problem is, if you focus only on moving fast, you're going to discard the pillars that produce quality, and over time, it's going to cost you more to operate that product, run that product, to maintain that product. And if you're not careful, you may end up just starting all over again, which is just going to cost you more. Rather, why not just do it right the first time? So in this video, I'm going to talk about what those pillars of quality are and why you should focus on them when you're building your product. If you're here for the first time, my name is Bulama Yusuf. I'm the founder of Bulama.io and Intellectual Apps. At Bulama.io, I offer fractional CTO services, while at Intellectual Apps, we build mobile apps for startups. I've been in tech for more than 20 years, and this is my channel where I share my experiences, especially around the intersection of people and technology. So let's get into today's video. Now, when founders want to build products, they want to move fast. And in doing that, they tend to ignore the pillars of quality and just focus on the development. Talk to the developers, tell them what they want, and ask them to build their product as quick as possible. Now, the problem with doing this is when you speak to developers, developers will tend to tell you, yes, they understand what you want, and then they go ahead and build it. And when you ask them, have they tested it? They tell you, yes, they've tested it. And then it keeps on going that way, and you have this illusion that you're moving fast. But what happens is when you release your product, you find out that over a short period of time, it becomes slow, it becomes clunky, and you're unable to quickly add features to it. Instead, what you should do is spend time in planning and design before you develop and test. And with an agile approach, right, you go through this cycle in an iterative manner. Planning and design, quality assurance would help you produce a quality product. If you ignore planning and design and quality assurance and just focus on development, you move fast, but you end up with a stunted product. Now, when founders are trying to save time, are trying to save cost, they unconsciously move towards just focusing on the development side and leave planning and design to just the developers and even the testing, right? And that creates problem for you later on. But yes, when you focus on planning and design, which you should do, and also focus on quality assurance, when you put all of this together, you find out that it takes you a bit longer to produce your product. But over time, your product is going to be more maintainable. It's going to be easier to add features as compared to another product that is just built with focusing on the development team alone. That moves fast initially, but it slows down and breaks down quicker. But when you focus on the whole process, on trying to make sure that you produce a quality product, yes, you move slow initially, but over time you are able to add features and expand and evolve that product better because you've given it that solid foundation. So as a founder, what you need to do is to treat development as a black box. Put time and energy into the planning and design. Make sure that your idea is well articulated and expressed, visually in all the designs that you can get. Everything is connected. Get a technical leadership, a technical leader that can translate those designs into what you need in terms of server infrastructure, third-party systems, and all those other things. Planning and design. Once you have a very good plan and it's well designed, then you move into development. Now, when development finishes, make sure you have a very good quality assurance process that checks against what has been produced, against what was planned. When you do this, like I said, you end up with a quality product. And it's going to take you more time to do these things, but it gives you a better product at the end of the day because it's easier for you to evolve and improve on that product. If you just focus on development alone, yes, you save time, you save money, but it's going to cost you more in the future. You might even end up throwing away that product, right? So why not do it right the first time? If you have any comments, please share in the comment section. If you found this useful, please like and share. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I make similar videos and I'll be releasing them, frequently. Thank you.